Hi, this is Darryl. I'm glad to see you guys again. I'm glad you're here to see another video. It's going to be a real short video this time. I have a guy that sent me a couple of files to see if I can help him modify them. And this is the first one. I'll probably do a second video for the other one. But this is basically a dog bone shape, and it's like built for an ornament type of thing. You know, the size is 5 inches across and 2 inches up and down, so I'm assuming it's for putting a string through and hanging on your tree. But it doesn't matter what it's for. He didn't want this. He wanted to get rid of this hole and this curve here. I'm assuming the curve goes to make it like the bottom. So let's just see how we can do that. So I've got the pick tool, and I've selected it. You can see the dots around it saying it's selected. But you'll notice the whole thing is selected. I can't just grab that one thing. So if I go over here to Shape Tool and click on that, you can see all the nodes. And I can delete those nodes one at a time. But let's break this file apart for at least have 2 different parts. So let's go to Object and come down to Break Curve Apart. And now what we have, so it took the pick tool again. Now the pick tool, I can select the big part of the bone, but you notice the circle's not selected anymore. So then I can click off of that, click on the circle on its own. Now I've got it selected with the pick tool. I'll just hit delete on the keyboard and it's gone. So let's select the rest of the bone and let's go back to the shape tool, click on that, and you can see all the nodes that's making up this curve. Well, let's just drag a selection box around all those nodes and just hit delete on the keyboard. And there it is. Straighten out across the bottom, just top just like it is the bottom. And let's go back to this pick tool, and there's the bone with no hole in it. So anyway, I hope someone got something out of this. I know that sometimes it's not obvious what CorelDraw wants you to do, but that is the way we modify that to get rid of that circle and the hump in the side of it. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, this is a little short video. I'm going to have another one for the other file, so stay tuned for that. Watch out for that one to be published pretty quick after this one is. Thanks again. Please subscribe, share, and let everyone know that if you got anything good out of this, that they can call me or email me, and I can help them with any file that they might need help on. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.